Hey, howdy folks, this is Chad with the northernsurvivalist.com. We're going to do some water filtering here. What I'm using is this cone coffee filter with a t-shirt, double layered, in this here water bottle. So basically it's going to come out of there and go down there. I think I can do this with one hand. I don't know. This might be a little tricky. But here's a good liter of water right there, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, no big deal. This is a 1 liter steel bottle. It's going to be my coffee water. It's going to get boiled. Yep, so might have to put this in my mouth, pardon. I'll try not to grunt or anything while I'm doing this. Okay. Alright. Now what I got there, that's my canteen cups, about a liter. Or no, not quite, maybe, well, close to it. But I just figured it'd be easier to put in this wide mouth than to just sit there and have to use 3 hands, which I don't got. But let's see how it looks, all icky, yucky, and it's got sediment and forest stuff in it, and pine needles and bark, and okay, dirt. Let's take it and filter it. Okay, the cup is not quite a liter, but it's about 3/4 of a liter. Cool. So let's top this off. How clear is that water down there? I see it's kind of clear enough. Once it's boiled, it'll be fine. Well, I could sit here and bore you with this. Basically, just This water is going to be probably boiled over that there alcohol stove or in the campfire, and that's going to take the place of chemical treatment. So yeah, this is just a small scale of what your city water company does, except they probably put sodium fluoride and a bunch of nasty crap in it. But anyways, folks, ooh, scary water. Thanks for watching. Like this video, please comment, rate, subscribe, and check out my blog, northernsurvivalist.com. Alright, thank you, over and out.